the Edifier W820NB. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Edifier W820NB Bluetooth headphones. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide and Type-C charging cable. The headphone features 49 hours of listening time, and it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0 AAC SBC codec, 40mm drivers, button controls, and an app. USB-C for charging, ANC, ambient, and game modes. These come in 3 color options as well. The headphones feels extremely light with a plastic feel all around. The ear cups swivel out. On the inside of the band, you have the ear indicators. The padding on each of the ear cups are very soft, and there's a good amount. You also have adequate padding on the top of the headband. Taking a look at the band, it has a matte finish, and the lower part on each side has the branding. Each of the adjustment levels just clicks into place, and there's good travel. The headphones are flexible as well, and this should have no issues accommodating various head sizes. The outer face of the left ear cup has a matte finish, and there are no controls on this side. You'll find all the controls on the right ear cup, and it has the following: a multi-function button, volume and track controls, LED, mode, USB-C charge port, and microphone. As mentioned, this has app integration. Once connected, you have access to the various features like toggling the ANC, ambient, and game modes. You can view battery levels along with accessing the user guide in the general settings, just to name a few. The headphones weigh in at 237 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I was losing my mind, told them I'm fine, wish I was sober. We were just 21, nothing was wrong with our future. But when I'm alone, feel like a stone, nothing can hurt me. I live in a dream, I went to the scene before this thing ate me. They don't know nothing. No, they don't know nothing. What it's like to be.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My life.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier W820NB microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and it's one of the more louder mics for headphones that I have tested. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be very comfortable. The ear cups were large enough and it covered my ears well. There was good padding, and the clamping force of the band was just right, and it wasn't too tight. Build and quality is fair. I did feel it has too much of a plastic feel to it and makes it feel a bit cheap. The button controls responded well, and it's easy to navigate once you get used to the placement. I like the app integration, but I felt it was too simple. It would have been nice to see an EQ customization or presets. Battery life is excellent at 49 hours. but having ANC on will impact the overall battery life. The ANC feature was able to cancel the surroundings very well, and I felt it's in line with many of the headphones in the sub 100 range. The ambient feature was loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in pronounced. It's deep and punchy and doesn't sound overblown. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and I felt that there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out. I would describe it as a balanced sounding experience. Overall, I feel these have good value for the price. It does miss out on a few points that I mentioned, but the sounds deliver. So that is my review of the Edifier W820NB Bluetooth headphones. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.